This is ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check your data usage on this device. So to start, you will need to open Settings app. From here, if you would like to check your mobile data usage, go for the mobile network category, then select the SIM card that you would like to check the cellular data usage for, and in here just open the app data usage page. If you would like to check the Wi-Fi usage on the other hand, to begin with, open the main settings page and go for the Wi-Fi category. Then over here you'll find the Wi-Fi data usage section, so simply tap on it and check the Wi-Fi data usage statistics as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.